In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to add video in Figma prototype. So first of all, we need to add a rectangle on our frame. So firstly, I need to draw a rectangle here just like this. Then select your rectangle. Now go to the right panel and under it select fill, and then we'll see couple of options here. So we need to click on video option from here, and then we'll be able to see option of upload from computer. I can't see this option here because I don't have the professional plan. You need to have this professional plan in order to add video on Figma. I currently have this starter plan which doesn't support videos. In order to upload videos, we need to have this professional plan, then it will allow us to upload videos in Figma. So let's say you have your professional plan, then just tap on upload from computer and then select the video. I currently have these images, I need to select it, then tap on open, and just like that your video will be uploaded or added on your Figma frame. You can also drag and drop your video. If you have any video, then just select that video and drag and drop it on your Figma frame. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.